Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to restore your Xiaomi device to the latest global stable ROM. So you may want to do this, let's say if you rooted your phone, you tried custom roaming it and you want to go back, or you just tried a beta firmware from Xiaomi and you want to go back. So, or let's say if you took an OTA update and it got interrupted and you have to unroot your phone, well, this is the video for you. Though I would like to let you know that this is for the unlocked bootloader. So, well, if you're gonna be rooting your phone, you're gonna be trying custom ROMs or beta ROM, well, you're gonna need to unlock your bootloader anyway. So chances are you have a unlocked bootloader. However, if you don't have a unlocked bootloader and your OTA update got interrupted, well, you may want to contact Xiaomi, get authorization from them, and then go ahead tear down your phone by cracking it open, shorting out 2 pins on the motherboard. Once you done that, you can do this. So it's a different process. Go ahead and back up your device. Back up the files you want to keep, either using by copying it to a micro SD, copying it to your PC, copying it to a USB device by plugging in an OTG adapter, or you can upload it to an internet account such as Google Drive, Dropbox, Mega Drive, whatever. So yeah, so once you got those sorted out, or if you don't need to back up anything, we can now proceed. On your computer, go ahead and hop into your web browser, and you're gonna need to download 3 things. One is the Google USB driver. The second is gonna be the Xiaomi flash tool. So you can go ahead and download that. So once done, go ahead and go over here and download the firmware for your device. Now, I am doing this on a Pocophone F1, but if I said it already, it should work on any other Xiaomi devices like phones and tablets. So go ahead and find one for your device. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead and find Poco, and then go ahead and download it. And when you download it, make sure you download it says global stable. If it says like China developer, don't download that, because if it's a developer firmware, it's unstable, it's beta. And if it says China, well, it's for China and they don't have Google Play Store installed, so keep that in mind. So once you got those taken care of, go ahead and go into your hard drive and make a new folder. Call it something like Xiaomi or something you can remember. So I'm gonna call it Xiaomi, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in one side. Now the next thing we're gonna do here is open another window and put this on the other side. Okay, now go ahead, go where you downloaded those 3 files and open it using 7-zip or similar program, and go ahead and copy it to the Xiaomi folder that we created earlier, and then do the same thing for the other 2 files. So just copy the only files in there into the Xiaomi folder, and once done, do the same thing here. The next thing you want to do here is go into your Xiaomi folder and then go ahead and open the firmware that you extracted here, and then go ahead and take this one folder and extract it to your Xiaomi folder. If you did everything correctly, you should have 3 folders. So one here is gonna be your firmware. The next thing here is gonna be Mi Flash, which allows us to flash the firmware into your phone or your device. And the last one here should be USB driver, which will allow the computer to communicate with the phone. So okay, now the next thing you want to do here is go ahead and power off your phone, and then go ahead press the volume down as well as the power button until you see the Xiaomi or the Pocophone logo, then the fast boot logo. So if it says fast boot, you are ready to connect your phone into your computer. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so the next thing you want to do here is go ahead and go into device manager. So on Windows 10, you just have to right click and then go ahead and go into device manager. Okay, now what you want to do here is, well, it's either gonna be under Android or it's gonna be under Lee Mobile Android device. So if it says Android bootloader interface, well, the driver has been taken care of. It's not automatically installed. Go ahead and click on Android, click on update drivers, click on browse, click on let me pick from a list, double click on show all devices, click on hard disk, click on browse, go ahead and navigate where you downloaded the files earlier. Go ahead and navigate to the Xiaomi folder that we created earlier. Go ahead and go into USB driver. Go ahead and select Android Win USB. Click OK. Select Android bootloader interface. Click yes. And click close. And the driver should now be taken care of at this point if it's not automatically installed. Go into the Mi Flash folder and then go ahead and click show Mi Flash and click yes. Okay, now go ahead and click select. Okay, go ahead and navigate to the Xiaomi folder and then navigate into the folder where the firmware is located, and then go ahead and go ahead and navigate where the firmware is located. Go ahead, click OK. And before you do anything, make sure to click clear all. If you actually leave it at default, what's gonna happen is it's gonna relock the bootloader. Unless you want that to happen, just select clean all. So, and once that's done, go ahead and click refresh. And if you install the drivers correctly, and if the phone is detected, then it should show up over here. If not, try removing the cable and reinserting it again. If not, move it to another USB port on your computer. If you have a USB hub and you have this thing connected to a USB hub, disconnect it and move it and connect it directly to your computer, because USB hubs could cause problems. So yeah, and once you got that taken care of and it's now showing up here, go ahead and click flash. Once done, it should go ahead and reboot, and here we are now booted into MIUI 10, which is the latest version of this video recording for the Pocophone F1. So we can now go ahead and set it up. So yeah, so if you find this video helpful, let me know down below. And if you have any questions, also let me know down below. Anyway, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.